The Nightingale and the Farmer. Once there was a nightingale who had laid eggs near the cornfield. She was late in laying eggs, and the corn were almost ripened. If the farmer of the field will come to harvest them, he then might see my babies and try to take them before they have learned to fly, she thought. So she warned her babies to tell her everything they hear. One day, her youngest one told her, "I heard the farmer say that he is going to bring his friend tomorrow to harvest the corn. Don't worry, for no harm would come to you," she said confidently. The next day, the Nightingale's other baby turned to her and said, "I heard the farmer is calling his relatives to help him harvest. Don't worry, for no harm will come to you," she said again, while rubbing her little one's head. She was right, for no one came. On the third day, the Nightingale's baby told her, "I heard this time the farmer will harvest the field himself." "Yes, this is possible, for he will surely do it," she said, while gathering her little ones and flew away. Moral: do not rely on others to do your job. Cactus. The cactus is a special plant that grows in hot, dry deserts. Unlike other plants, it can store water inside its thick green stem. This helps it survive for many weeks without rain. Instead of leaves, most cacti have sharp spines that protects them from animals and keep water from escaping. Some cactus plants grew very tall, while others are small and round. In spring, many cacti bloom with bright flowers in colors like red, yellow, and pink. People and animals can eat the fruit of some cacti, such as prickly pear. The cactus is strong and useful, showing how life can adapt to the desert. Questions: where do cacti usually grow? How does a cactus store water? What protects cacti from animals? What happens